Heidelberg, a picturesque city nestled in the heart of Germany, is a quintessential blend of historical charm, academic excellence, and natural beauty that captivates visitors from around the world. Best known for its romantic old town, world-renowned university, and stunning landscapes along the Neckar River, Heidelberg offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to cultural enthusiasts, history buffs, and nature lovers. The Heidelberg Castle, perched majestically above the city, is a symbol of both medieval grandeur and the city's rich history. Its ruins showcase architectural marvels like the iconic Heidelberg Tun, one of the world's largest wine barrels. The castle's terraces offer panoramic views of the Old Town and the Neckar Valley, creating a captivating backdrop for exploration and photography. The old bridge at Alte Brücke, adorned with a medieval bridge gate and statues, connects the Old Town to the Neuenheim district. The Philosopher's Walk, Philosophenweg, a scenic path on the opposite side of the river, offers stunning views of the city and the castle, providing a serene escape for nature lovers and contemplation. Heidelberg University, Germany's oldest university, lends the city an intellectual atmosphere and a youthful vibrancy. The Student Jail, Studentenkarzer, a quirky museum, showcases the university's history and traditions, while the student-filled cafes, bookstores, and cultural events contribute to the city's lively ambience. The Old Town's cobblestone streets are a treasure trove of historical sites, including the Church of the Holy Spirit, Heiligkirche, with its ornate Gothic architecture, and the Marktplatz, a vibrant square surrounded by charming buildings and cafes where visitors can immerse themselves in local life. The Heidelberg Zoo, one of the oldest in Germany, offers a family-friendly experience with a variety of animals and beautifully landscaped enclosures. The Karl Theodor Bridge at Alte Brücke provides scenic views of the zoo and the surrounding nature. The Neckar River, a defining feature of Heidelberg, invites visitors to enjoy boat cruises that offer a unique perspective of the city's landmarks. The Neckarwiese, a riverside meadow, is a popular spot for picnics, leisurely walks, and relaxation. Heidelberg's culinary scene is a blend of traditional German cuisine and international flavors. Visitors can savor regional specialties like sausages and pretzels at local taverns and explore a range of dining options that cater to various palates. In essence, Heidelberg encapsulates the spirit of historical and modern Germany in a picturesque setting. Whether it's exploring medieval architecture, indulging in intellectual pursuits, taking in breathtaking views, or simply savoring the city's relaxed atmosphere, Heidelberg invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Germany's cultural and natural splendor.